Hello my dear children, welcome to our craft class. Today we are going to do a beautiful recycling craft, and in this category we will be making a nice pen stand with paper rolls. What we all need for this craft is this used old cardboard. This can be the packing cardboards, origami paper packs, Fevicol, scissor, one stapler also we need, and this is a jute rope. You can use this jute rope or a wool roll also you can use. And I have these few sitaras with me, and I'll be using this for the decoration. You can use anything whichever is available. If you by chance if you don't have any of the decoration material, you can cut small round circles or triangular circles with origami paper or with the pastry sheet or with the glitter sheet also, and that also can be used for the decoration purpose. So let's start. First we will make the base of the pen stand, and for making this base we'll take a long piece like this, and it is 10 centimeters long, and the width is something like this. And now what you will simply do is just roll it, and after rolling, make sure that printed part will be outside, because here we will be pasting our paper rolls, so it will get hide, and this plain part will go inside just to maintain the nice neater look in So you will just roll it up, fold it like this, overlap it, see children, one over the other, and now we will use our stapler and just fix this ends with the stapler this way, and in the center also. So this way our standing base of our pen stand is ready. Now as it is pen stand, it should have the base also, so I will keep my pen stand base like this, and using pencil or any sketch pen you will draw the outline of this, and it will be something like this. When you will cut little extra than what you have drawn, this way, so that after fixing we can always trim it up. So I'll cut this part also. I'm cutting with the extra margin. Now our base is ready, and this is the frame of the pen stand. Now what you will do, take a Fevicol and just put it nicely on the edges of your pen stand body, just like this, exactly on the edges you will put. Now we will put this Fevicol part on the base and just press it tightly. And leave it for the rest so that it gets enough time to get fixed, and then we will trim this extra part out of it. See children, you can nicely see. Okay, now we will keep it aside and we will start with our paper rolls. Take your origami papers. You can do this with the origami papers, with the newspaper. If you don't have origami papers enough, then you can cut the newspaper in the size of origami paper and you can roll it up into the paper tubes, and you can do it with the old magazine also, or the plain newspaper like we have used in our earlier craft projects. Now we will take one straw just to make the size of paper tubes all equal. Now how we will go about it? Like this is our origami paper. We will keep this straw just right on the triangular side of our origami paper, and just when you will start rolling, make sure that this edge, see, I'm folding a little bit of triangle over here and roll it inside, and now holding it nicely with these fingers, like with the thumb and these three fingers, hold it nicely and you will keep on rolling this way. Roll, roll, roll. As we did this earlier also in our craft projects. And on the end you will put some Fevicol like this. And simply remove your straw. This way we need around 20 to 30 of rolls. It depends how big or how small your pen stand base is. Now see again, this is square in size. Now we will hold it like this. Just put our straw this way on the triangular end of the sheet. Fold it like this and just roll it. Make sure when you are rolling, that triangular part should move in, and you will not leave it till it is all rolled on, because if you will leave it in between, it will open and it will give very thick roll, which we don't need. Fix it nicely and just take it off. Every time we will be following the same steps. Once your hand is set in doing this rolling, it will be a fun doing this. So don't get panic and just practice. Practice, 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 and the more you practice, more you will be set in making this nice rolls. See children, you can see these all three rolls are of same size because I am using the same straw for making the rolls. Make sure your rolls should not be very thick. Paper rolls should be like nicely in the size of your straw only. At least you need 20 to 25 rolls. Don't make very small pen stand. If you are making, it should be of the user's size, so that you can nicely put on your study table and you can use it for that. It's not compulsory to use the stand as a pen stand only. You can use it as a multi-purpose stand. You can keep it on your dining table. You can put spoons also in this. All your choice how you use. Make sure you start at the triangle point and it should end at the triangle only. And that is the right way to finish your roll. See? Starting from triangle and it will end at the triangle. Now let's see what is the status of our stand. Now it's quite fixed, so we will cut this extra cardboard. Why we keep extra this base cardboard? Because when we fix, sometimes this stand base structure goes little tilted or some out of the line. So if you have the base little extra with you, then it will be very easy to manage that tilt. So that's why, and we can always trim it out, the extra part. Now how we will fix our paper rolls on this? First of all, you will just cut that part, little of it, and then keep it this way, and then little extra to the size of your roll, this stand you will cut like this. And now we will cut all our rolls before fixing. This way you will cut all the rolls into your size that we have measured. Done. Now it's time to fix it up like this. Just put some of the glue nicely on the area. This way, nicely. Don't put less. We need little more of the layer. Now simply you will fix it like this, and you will fix all around. Like I have started, this few rolls I have already pasted, and now this leftover space we will fill. Hold it like this, and it will be easy to fix. If your these rolls are little not exact in the size, then you can always trim it, or you can leave it like this also. Now we need few more rolls to cover our paper, pen stand. Now after completing our paper rolls and fixing it nicely on all over this pen stand, we will take our jute rope. I've pasted some Fevicol here already, and simply in the center I'm giving 2-3 rolls just for the decorative look. Make sure that it does not have any space in between. Fix it like this. Fevicol I have already pasted. If you want to give some extra rolls, put some more Fevicol and let it go like this. And here I will just cut the end. Make sure that your end sticks nicely. Just put a nice drop of Fevicol here. It's like this. Now I'll take my sitaras and give a nice drop of Fevicol. And our beautiful pen stand is ready with rope in the center and this decorative sitaras. You can paste cutting of glitter sheet or any other sheets also, or you can cut some flowers and you can put flowers also. I hope it was fun doing today's craft. So happy crafting, children. God bless you all.